Hi folks, myself Dr. S. Saravana Sundaram, Professor and Head Department of Biomedical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about flip-flop in synchronous sequential circuit from the subject Digital Electronics. Combination logic circuit, we know it is constructed by using ordinary logic gates. In this combination logic circuit, output always depends on input. Whenever input is varied, immediately output will be varied. It has no memory, for example, adder and subtractor. If you consider sequential logic circuit, it is a combination of combination logic circuit and memory element. So, output not only depends upon present state, present input, and also depends upon previous input which is stored in the memory element. So, sequential logic circuit, this is very important difference. Output not only depends upon present input and also depends on previous input which is stored in the memory element. So, here I have explained sequential circuit logical representation. Here combination logic circuit is connected with storage element. Then combination logic circuit output is supplied as an input to the storage element. Then input, normal input is applied to the combination circuit. So finally output depends on present input and also previous input which is stored in the memory element. So now we will discuss about flip-flop. Normally flip-flop is used as memory element in synchronous sequential circuit. Flip-flop consists several inputs and two output, normal output, inverted output. These inputs are used to make the flip-flop to switch back and forth between its possible output states. The back and forth is called flip-flop. So this device is called flip-flop. We have four types of flip-flop: SR flip-flop, JK flip-flop, D flip-flop, T flip-flop. Now we will discuss about SR flip-flop, set reset flip-flop. Then two outputs, normal output, inverted output. I am going to explain general truth table of SR flip-flop. SR input 0 0, output no change. 0 1, output 0. 1 0 1 1 1, indeterminate. So 0 here output no change, 0 1 0 mention the next state of flip-flop. What is mean by next state? Very important information. In flip-flop always one bit will be stored, either 1 or 0. So when input is applied, that stored element will be changed to the next level. Again 0 or 1. That next level is called next state. So here general truth table, when 0 0 input is applied, output no change. That means present state and next state is same. When 0 1 is applied, now reset active. So whichever the present state, next state is 0. That is mentioned in the general truth table. So very important information, general truth table output nothing but next state of flip-flop. Now I am going to explain internal structure of SR flip-flop. Internal structure means what type of gate is used to develop SR flip-flop. So here we are using NOR gate, combination of OR gate and NOT gate. NOR gate. Then I have given truth table of NOR gate. If you analyze truth table of NOR gate, 0 0 input is applied, output 1. 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. So even any one input or both inputs are 1, output is 0. So it is providing active output when both inputs are 0. Keep this information in your mind. Then we will discuss about internal structure of and the working principle of SR flip-flop. Now case 1, S1 or 0. S1 means set active. So now assume Q equal to 0. Then Q bar by default 1. So Q equal to 0 means already S equal to 1. So NOR gate 2 output will be 0 because one of the input is 1. So NOR gate 2 output 0. That 0 is applied to the NOR gate 1. Already R equal to 0. So R equal to 0, another input 0. 0, 0 is applied, output becomes 1. Previously it was 0, now it is changed to 1. So when the set active, whichever the present state, next state is 1. Then case 2, S equal to 0, R equal to 1. Now R equal to 1 means always one input of NOR gate 1 is 1. So whenever any one input is 1, NOR gate output is 0. So that is providing constant 0 output to the NOR gate 1. So whichever the present state, next state is 0 when reset active. Then case 3, 0, 0. 0, 0 means no change. Now assume Q equal to 0. For example, present state 0. That 0 is applied as an input to the NOR gate 2. Already S equal to 0. So 0, 0 is applied, output 1. That 1 is applied to the NOR gate 1. When 1 is applied, even any one input is 1, then output 0. Initially 0, now also 0. Now second case, Q equal to 1. Assume Q equal to 1. That 1 is applied to the NOR gate 2. Even any one input is 1, output 0. That 0 is applied to the NOR gate 1. Already R equal to 0. So 0, 0 is applied, output 1. So initially 1, now same state is maintained. This is called no change. Now S equal to 1, R equal to 1. That case, even any one input is 1, output is 0. So according to this value, Q equal to 0, Q bar equal to 0, that condition never exists because Q normal output, Q bar inverted output. Whenever Q equal to 0, Q bar must be 1. Whenever Q equal to 1, Q bar must be 0. But in this case, when S equal to 1, R equal to 1, Q becomes 0, Q naught becomes 0. That condition never exists. So this condition is called indeterminate. By using all this information, here I have developed expanded truth table. Now first case, S equal to 0, R equal to 0, 0, 0. Qn present state, Qn plus 1 next state. So Qn we assume 0. So Qn plus 1, already you know 0, 0 input is applied to the SR flip-flop, no change. So when assume 0, the same state will be maintained in the next state. So 0. Second, we are assuming same input condition, but we are changing present state to 1. So already you know 0, 0 is applied, output no change. So same state will be maintained, 1 also in next state. This is explanation of first two row. Now 0, 1. Reset active. When reset active, whichever the present state, next state is 0. So 0 means same state will be maintained. Then 0, 1. Present state 1. Now reset active, whichever the present state, next state 0. So 1 becomes 0. This is information about fourth row in expanded truth table. Next 1, 0. Now set active. When set active, whichever the present state, next state is 1. So 0 becomes 1. 1 maintain the same state. Sixth row. Next 1, 1. 0. Present state 0 means next state don't care because that condition never exists. So 1, 1, 1. Even if you assume present state 1, next state don't care. Now I am going to explain excitation table of SR flip-flop. In excitation table, first two column present state and next state, then second, third column and fourth column flip-flop input. So first two column present state and next state 0, 0 means in previous expanded table you have to analyze the 0, 0 state of present state and next state. If you analyze 0 state of present state and next state, we have two states. In these two states, if you analyze the S value, both are same, but R value is different. One case 0, another case 1. So it is replaced by don't care condition. So 0, don't care. Similarly, analyze 0 1 state of present state and next state. Then if you analyze, we have only one state, that kind of state. So corresponding flip-flop input 1 0. Then analyze 1 0 state of present state and next state. We have only one state. Then corresponding flip-flop input 0 1. Then if you analyze 1 1, we have two states in expanded table. So if you analyze these two states, both cases R value same but S value different. So S value is replaced by don't care. This is the development procedure of excitation table. Very important information. Excitation table information is very much required for the designing synchronous sequential circuit and counter in digital electronics. Similarly, if you want, you can develop excitation table of JK flip-flop. In JK flip-flop, general truth table, first three cases are same as like SR flip-flop. Only fourth case is different. Fourth case means one input is applied to the JK flip-flop. Output is toggle. Toggle means complement of present state. If present state 0, next state 1. If present state 1, next state 0. So by using this information, you can develop expandable truth table. Then you can develop excitation table. Similarly, D flip-flop and T flip-flop. D flip-flop, input 0, output 0. Input 1, output 1. This is the information. Next, T flip-flop, input 0, output no change, input 1, output toggle. So this is general truth table information. By using general truth table, you can develop expanded table. From the expanded table, you can develop excitation table of all four flip-flops. This excitation table is very much required for designing synchronous sequential circuit in digital electronics. Now I hope you have understood about flip-flop. Thank you.